Hello guys, in this video I will introduce you about find. But before I explain this topic, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. Find is a part of modified strings in Python. The find method finds the first occurrence of the specified value. The find method returns -1 if the value is not found. The find method is almost the same as the index method. The only difference is that the index method raises an exception if the value is not found. For syntax, I will show in my screen. So, I will show you as a command string dot find with value start and end in round brackets. You know that there are three parameter values in find, namely value, start, and end. Value is required, the value to search for. Start is optional, where to start the search, and default is 0. End is optional, where to end the search. Default is to the end of the string. Now, I will give you three examples about find. For the first example, it's like this. Let us see my screen. txt equals double quotation hello, comma, welcome to my world. Next, x equals txt.find double quotation welcome double quotation print with x in round brackets. For the second example is like this. Txt equals hello, welcome to my world. Next, x equals txt dot find e 5 10 print x. You can see the result is 8. Now for the last example is like this. Txt equals hello, welcome to my world. Print txt.find double quotation key double quotation. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.